In this support video, we'll show you how to add general ledger accounts to the petty cash template. So I've got the report sheet open here. As you can see, the account numbers and account descriptions are listed in column A and column B. You can basically use any account number with the template and just enter your descriptions in column B. So if you have a different general ledger structure and you want to use your own general ledger structure, you can do so. Just enter your account numbers in this column. Just the last two rows should not be amended. These are the allocations for the reimbursements of the bank account and the sales tax calculations. Okay, so I'm just going to insert a new row here, and then I'm going to copy the row below it. And as you can see, it highlights the duplicate value. So then change the account number, column A, and change the description. The rest of the columns contain formulas. So by copying one of the other rows, I've already added the correct formulas. So that's basically it. This account has been created. Let's go to the data sheet, and you'll see if I go up and look for the new account, it's already there. Another note, just on the template, reimbursements are entered with a positive value, and then you just select the bank account. And that's it. You can view more support videos in our support section of our YouTube channel.